Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for a new car with Honda, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your budget for the new car. Consider how much you can afford to spend monthly without straining your finances. Research the average cost of the Honda model you are interested in. Set a savings goal based on that cost, including taxes and fees. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for your car fund. This will help you track your progress and keep your funds separate. Create a budget that allocates a specific amount of money each month towards your savings. Cut unnecessary expenses to increase your savings rate. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures consistent contributions without needing to think about it. Explore additional income opportunities, such as part-time work or freelance gigs. Every little bit helps in reaching your goal faster. Look for promotions or discounts on your desired Honda model. Stay informed about seasonal sales or incentives from dealerships. Regularly adjust your savings plan as your financial situation changes. If possible, consider trading in your current vehicle for a better deal. Calculate how this trade-in can impact your overall budget for the new car. Once you've reached your savings goal, research financing options if needed. Evaluate loan terms from banks, credit unions, and the dealership itself. Carefully compare interest rates and loan conditions to find the best deal. Finally, take your time when choosing the right Honda. Test drive different models to find the one that fits your needs and preferences. With careful planning and dedication, you will be ready to purchase your new Honda. Being financially prepared will help you enjoy the process and make a confident purchase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.